Hello guys, good morning, good morning. We are here in Aldawania Jewelry. Ayan, so mayroon tayong 18 karat, 21 karat, and 22 karat guys. And this one is 18 karat with Swarovski necklace. Ayan, so and then we have this one. Ayan, so we have this one. Oh my god, ang ganda and super affordable lang yan siya guys. Okay, and this one chokers, ring. Okay, and this one is bangles. Oh my god, just ang gaganda nito guys. And yes, this one. Look at this one. My God, this one is can be ring. Oh my gosh, it's nice and can be bracelet. Oh, it's very nice. Can adjust also. Okay, so mayroon din tayo dito mga choker mga madam. We have this choker and necklaces. Oh my God, and we deliver all over Oman, guys. All the gold here is affordable and good quality. All new.